All right, so we're in the shop working today, and I'm going to try not to date myself, but we've got a 2005 Toyota Prius up on the rack here, and I'm just going to dive into a little history. I've seen a lot of car trends come and go. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 40 years, and I used to rebuild an engine a month. I haven't rebuilt an engine in a long time. I used to work on Volkswagen TDIs a lot, like at least one a week. I haven't seen one in years. You know, there's just these trends that kind of come and go. And this is a new trend, I'm afraid, and it's not a good one. It's, like I said, a 2005 Toyota Prius, very common car. We live here in Portland, Oregon, where catalytic converter theft is a big problem. Not just on Priuses, but lately it has been, because their catalytic converters, I guess, have extra precious metals in them. Catalytic converter is between the exhaust manifold there and this pipe here, and thieves come in here, and within a few minutes, I don't know how they get under these cars. They're so low. They just use a battery powered saw and just cut it off and make quick cash. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to prevent that, and sort of a sad telling of events. This is a catalytic converter shield made out of aluminum, and I'll show you where it goes. It's pretty cool. It just bolts up right here. I don't know if I can do this. Underneath the car like that, and it protects your catalytic converter from being stolen. These are 160 bucks, and I've got 3 of these. 3 cars I'm doing in the next week, because catalytic converters are all of a sudden just it's like a virus, which, no pun intended, that's going around too. But people are stealing catalytic converters like crazy off these cars. And I don't know. I always thought the 4-wheel drives would be easier. I've done lots of four-wheel drive Toyota 4Runners and CRVs. Those type of cars have their catalytic converters stolen. But this is a new one on me. So we're cat guarding this 2005, and I've got a couple of 2013s and 14s that are getting their catalytic converter shields put on as well. Sign of the times. I hope it's a fast, quick trend. I don't know what the deal is, but we'll get this guy fixed up and protected and move on to the next trend, I guess. So thanks for watching. Thanks for looking at the underside of cars with me. Isn't that cool? So yeah, again, that big shield goes up underneath this car. It bolts to these 3 bolts here in the front, and the rest is pop rivets and screws. And that's enough to deter a thief, a potential thief, hopefully. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Keep your catalytic converter safe.